Hello guys, today I'll show you how to get a license window that costs only $7. So go to the website that I give you in the description, that which is named keysfan.com. So when you click the link that I give in the description, it will show you like this. So there are many windows here. Window 11, window 10, 24, see? 84, it's very expensive. But at the top it costs only $7, but original is $165. So when you open it will show you like this, and just click add to cart here, adding. Waiting, sorry, my internet is so slow. Yeah, when you add to cart, it display like this. So it costs 15 $14. And click on here, view cart here. I'm sorry, the internet is so slow. So here we just need only key window 10, yeah. And here we need one cost 15.17. So we need one. Click update. Click one. We need only one. You see? So one it just costs only $15. 15, but I said at the first at the beginning I said only $7. So just click on here, apply this discount code. So type code here, H KHE 50. Just click here and apply discount to get discount 50%. Click here and do waiting. So we discount 50% here. So it it minus 7. So so you have to buy $7.55 only. It's very nice. And that you proceed to check out. Just click here. Okay, so now just complete your email here. This uh, this email must be used, so you can create your Visa card or PayPal. Yeah, it's your name, last name, address, city, postal code, uh, country, province number. So after you complete the the payment, you can use a PayPal or others, your Mastercard or Visa, GCB. Yeah? After you complete all of this, just place order. And you must wait. Then you will receive an email that you complete here at the top here, and you receive a serial number and take the serial number to complete here. Activation. Get the serial number and to complete here, change product key here, complete here, next, and to finish the license window 10. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more video. Bye bye.